So I'm replacing the mode door actuator in my 2008 Fusion. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this out. You're gonna pull this little compartment out and pop this panel off the side so you can kind of see in here. And to get it out, you're gonna need a, I think it's a 5.5mm socket. There's gonna be 2 bolts in it. One's gonna be right there and right there. And you're gonna kind of have to, what I did, I laid in my passenger seat upside down so I can kind of get my arms back here. You can kind of see it up there. There it is. It's the new one in there. There's a bolt right there. The other one's gonna be right up there. So when you take it out, you're gonna take the old one out, and the mode door is just gonna float kind of in a neutral position. And if your mode door actuator, if you get a new one, it should come with this little notch lined up with this kind of arrow. It should be lined up with that line right there. And if it's not, you're gonna have to plug it in and turn your car on. So you're gonna plug the new actuator into where you disconnected it and turn your car on and hit the recirculate button. And once this notch lines up with this larger line, you're gonna unplug it right at that point so it's in that position. And it'll be, and once it's in that position, you can just, if you can get your hand up in here with it, it should slide right on to where the mode door is just hanging. And then you'll pull out the AC control panel fuse, which is this one right here, for at least a minute. This is the fuse box right under the driver's side. I'm gonna pull out this fuse for at least a minute, and then when you turn your car back on, it should recalibrate the mode door. And the key is just make sure when you install your new actuator that this notch is lined up with this larger line on the top. It should just slide right on to the spline sticking out of where the mode door is while it's just hanging. You shouldn't have to move the mode door at all to put this on.